how to, the third how to. All right. And while you're putting those threes in the comments, I'm going to just go ahead and throw it out there. How to dispute items on your report. Okay. Because again, we're pulling a report. We see our scores. What next? What is this? You know, right? Because some people have that moment, that aha moment where they're like, what in the world? What is this? Where did it come from? It may be a case of identity theft, right? Somebody used your credit for you and you were so scared to pull your scores. It's just been on there forever. All right. So you need to know how to dispute items on your report. All right. Number 4, and I'm going to let you go ahead and say what you want to say about how to dispute items, but if y'all are ready for number 4, go ahead and put a number 4. So what you want to say?
4 is in the comments. As it relates to disputing, you see a lot of times the stuff that's on your credit is stuff that should not be there. So if you understand that, then you have to dispute it. And don't get me wrong, sometimes the stuff that's on there, you know you did. You know it's legit. However, depending on the circumstances, you can still dispute it. And if they don't do what they're supposed to do on their end, then they have to remove it. If they remove something that's negative on your credit based on you disputing it, whether it was yours or not, then that's just hiding your credit score. So you got to understand, disputing it works on things that doesn't directly apply to you because you may not have done it. They may have got some stuff mixed up or some type of identity fraud or whatever the case may be, but it also works on things that you have done. But here it is, the creditors a lot of times aren't doing their job. You got to understand, it's someone else, and it always has the ability to have some type of human error. There's always someone else behind the scene that could have made a mistake, or you know, they didn't do what they were supposed to do in a timely fashion. So when you disputed it, if they didn't do what they were supposed to do, guess what? It has to come off of your credit, and it has to come off the credit in a timely fashion. In conjunction to that, it's a lot of times where they may send off your, you know, your credit history or something, you know, whatever it is, the agreement that you had with the particular company, they may have sent that off to someone else, and now it has gone into collections. So your agreement wasn't with the collectors. It wasn't with the person who has the new terms or the, you know, the collection agency. It was with the original entity. So once you understand that and you dispute it, if they can't prove that they still have it or that they send it off to someone else, then they have to remove it as well. So it's a lot of key facets in place, but you want to dispute it, get it off of your credit, because the name of the game is strategically to boost